Hi everybody, today we're going to do, I figure I'd get on and we're going to do this Pantry's open 24/7 transfer on this metal board. I'm going to set it up so I can see the comments just in case there are any. Let's see here, let me get on here and make sure I can see your comments. Get on post if you're on here, say hello so I can see if the comments are working. Make sure they're working. Let's see here. Okay, now make sure. So if you're here, just comment in there and say hello and let me know where you're at. We're gonna do this and I'm gonna do the words in black. And I figured open I will do in burgundy or red, suggestions, color. I'm going to flip you down and we're going to go ahead and get started here. Let's see, hope everybody can see that and it's not too close. There we go. I can't see it, so see if there you go. Let's pin this off. Of course, my pantry's never open 24/7. There's nothing good in there. Except for maybe Girl Scout cookies. I do have some of those in there right now. So I guess that's one good thing. Okay. All right, so here we go. Set this in here. Try to get nice and straight. Make sure I don't have any air bubbles in my words. Oh, there's something under there. Let's see. Okay, had something under there. Didn't want it to. Okay, so we're going to do our pantry is open. Like I said, we'll do this in black. What is today? Wednesday? Thursday? Wednesday today? Don't even know the date. I hope everybody's enjoying their day. How's the weather? We got windy weather today. Okay, I'm just gonna get all the excess off there. I'm gonna peel this part up real quick so it doesn't. Someone's outside yelling at the dog. Dog must have ran away. Okay, I'm gonna peel this part up, try to do it. Wants to stick. Hope you can still see it, I'm not. Okay, I'm just gonna peel it enough to get it away from there. Okay. I'll set that down real gently. Okay, now, any suggestions on the, I had a burgundy suggestion, so, or red, so I guess we'll go ahead and do the burgundy for the open. Let's see, now we'll take this off and see how this went. God, can you hear that wind out there? It's terrible. They had the tornado warning things going off today. We're getting a new system, so they were checking it out or testing it. All right, let's see here. I fuzzed this thing because I knew it would stick some, but it just doesn't want to. I don't want to stretch the transfer, so I gotta trying to watch the way I do it. And then of course I get stuff all over me, so I don't want to touch the board. There we go. Now, let me get me a little Clorox wipe so I can wipe my hands real quick. Okay, let's see here. Oops. Can you see? Okay, there you go. Just making sure you can see it. There's the Pantry. Did I get, yeah. Make sure I didn't get anything on it. That actually turned out pretty good. And I'll turn it this way so you can actually see. There's our Pantry 24/7. Actually turned out pretty good. I think I like that burgundy color in there instead of red. I'm gonna flip you back up. There we go. Yeah, I think I like the burgundy better than the red. So everybody know, you know, when they're open signs, they're 24/7, so you always see the red open sign. Burgundy looks pretty good though for kitchen. Like I said, we use the black. And one thing with the, while we have a little bit of time, with the chalk, you want to make sure you stir it real good. And if it to the consistency of yogurt or sour cream. If not, just add some water in it and then mix it up real good so that it stays this. And then the burgundy, I kind of mixed my own. I had some left from doing a barnyard. So I had some of that left. So if you have any questions, you can just let me know. If not, I guess that's it for the day. Oh, hi Nicole. Didn't see you. I got the smile. Then I probably forgot everything else I was supposed to say. But anyway, I guess I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.